First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your PC, then you will see this main interface. Connect your Samsung tablet to your PC via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Samsung tablet. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your tablet to make sure the connection is established. After successfully connecting, all the data on your Samsung tablet will be displayed by categories in the interface. Click Photos, Camera, or Library, then you will see all the photos on your Samsung tablet. Under the Library option, you can check photos in all photo albums. To transfer photos from PC to Samsung tablet, choose one album and click Add, then select the photos you want on your PC. All the chosen photos will be transferred to your tablet.